This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable gloves, specifically these Fashion Serve nitrile gloves. We have these black nitrile gloves here in medium, and they're powder-free as well. And my hands are most definitely a small, so you can see there's definitely some extra room on these, so I'd say they're a nice true fit for a medium. The gloves are available in small, medium, large, and extra large sizes. They feature excellent flexibility, which is great, especially for doing complex or fine tasks. The black color of these gloves goes with a variety of different uniforms and color schemes, making them a fantastic option for appearance, but also because as a manager, you can really spot them easily even from across the kitchen. It's easy to know if your employees are wearing their gloves and practicing good sanitation habits as well. I love that it's also easy for your guests and customers to spot too. It really helps to increase customer confidence when they can see that everybody's got their gloves on. The highly protective design makes them great for janitorial and housekeeping tasks as well. So these are perfect for food trucks, restaurants, hotels, cafes, cafeterias, and they're great for use in the office or home as well.